Well, hey, Mr. Miller, believe it or not, I just happened to be right by the lake today after dropping off a load of feed for a lady, and I'm going to take you on your advice. Now, you deleted that comment, but you did tell me to go jump in the lake, so that's exactly what I'm going to do, and I hope it goes to show just a little bit how dedicated and committed we are to helping the people who truly need some help during this time. Now, you said that you've done a whole bunch of stuff, and that may or may not be true. I can't check your work because you won't provide it, but I am going to tell you what we're doing and what we're going to continue to do is more valuable than anything that has come out of Austin in the last 30 days. And I'll make you a challenge. I've got a load of hay that's sitting in Oklahoma right now that has a driver, has a truck, and all they need is some fuel. And I've covered half of it. I'm short $500 to make that truck happen. So how about you personally write us a check for $500 to cover the fuel to get that particular truck into our area and to feed these animals and to help these ranchers. I'll put that on you because I'm doing exactly what you've asked me to do, and I'm willing to do more. You just let me know how to help. Man, you're right, my friend. I feel a lot better. Feels really good. I look forward to getting that check from you. Address is in the comments.